In this haram of Palestine of Hazrat Zayd Shaheed. Zayd Shaheed is a brother of our fifth Imam. Zayd Shaheed, his entire family, they were martyred in the way of Allah. He was born in either 75 age or 76 or 80. But the 80 is more often. Reason in books, his age was written as that he was 41 at the time of his Shahadat and the murder. So therefore, because he was, everyone they accepted, and most of them, he was martyred either in 120 or 121. Very few they went only 120. So that is 80, 121, 80, 41. Then is very some misinformation about it. And that is someone they said, see, there's the one group they believe that see Hazrat Zayd Shaheed is Imam. So that means it was his will, or he proposed or presented himself. No. He has the strong faith and belief in the imamat of our fifth Imam, and after fifth Imam, he was loyal companion of our sixth Imam. Zayd Shaheed never or ever claimed that either. But Zayd Shaheed, he stood against the oppressor at that time, who was Hisham bin Abdul Malik, who is the murderer of our fifth Imam and Hazrat Zayd Shaheed. Zayd Shaheed, he had the 5 titles, but before that his name, Zayd. This name was given by Rasulullah. From here we can understand, from before his birth, Rasulullah gave him Zayd. Now 5 titles, Zaydul Azyan. Azyan means the plural of Zayd. There are the few Zayd in the history. Zayd bin Haritha, that boy who was in the custody of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Can you read that? Rasulullah looked after him. Zayd ibn Hassan, our second Imam's son. Zayd Shaheed. So Zayd al-Azyan, among those Zayd, he is the identified one, normal one. Then Halif al-Quran. Halif al-Quran, he was a very good reciter of the Quran al-Majid, and the Hafiz and the memorizer of the Quran al-Majid. His voice was pleasant, and always the copy of the Quran al-Majid was with him. Halif, the one who is associated with the Quran. And his father, our fourth Imam, he said, see, if the people of East and West, everyone they died, no one alive. But if Quran is in my company and I am in the company of Quran, so I will not feel lost in this. So he was the Halif al-Quran. He was Shaheed, martyr. He was Alimu Ali Muhammad, scholar of Ahlul Bayt, Faqih Ahlul Bayt. He was Faqih. So these are the 5 titles. He was married to Raisa. She was the granddaughter of Muhammad Hanafi. So that means from both sides, he and his wife, they were in the progeny of Imam Ali. And he was the real brother of our fifth Imam. And our fourth Imam, the one who wrote the Sahifa Kamila, book of Dua, prayer, Injil Ahlul Bayt, Zuhur Ali Muhammad. He wrote the 2 copies. One copy given to the fifth Imam, another one to him. And he gave this copy to his son Yahya when he went, and he believed that because Imam informed that, see, you are going and you will not come back, you will be martyred. So he has strong faith in the word of Imam. And after him, he said, see, Yahya, when you go for the battle, you to 6th Imam. So he lived in the imamat of 5th Imam and the 6th Imam. And now here, hadith of our 6th Imam. There was the man what? In the Baqi al-Ami Zayd fil Jannah. The one who cried, the one who shed tears for my uncle Zayd, I give assurance to you, he will be in the Jannah of Allah. Zayd al-Shahid, he stood against the Ashram bin Abdul Malik with the people. First of the Safar is Shahada. When he was injured and there was the one arrow going to hit his forehead, they called the surgeon. At that time they called that surgeon as a Hajjam. Hajjam, as you know that today, that terminology. It was really top secret. But when he took out this Hajjam, that arrow, he got caught. And his people, they were aware that, see, when he Umayyah, they will not leave his body. So therefore, they bury him in the canal where there was the water. And his grave was under the water. But still they found. And they took out his body because that Hajjam, the surgeon, informed them. He was his kind. And thereafter, they took the head. His body was for 4 years on his feet. It was hanged. And there were some miracles happened, appeared, and people they believe. Some people, those who meet the most of them, they became blind, and some other type of the punishment was given by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Now we are going to recite the Ziyaraat. Assalamu alaikum. I will recite the Ziyaraat of the Shaheed on behalf of Imam al-Fajr alayhi salatu wasalam, parents, brothers, sisters, children, friends, and Rizvi. Assalamu ala Rasulillah, Qasim al-Anbiya wal-Mursaleen. Assalamu ala Amir al-Mu'min, Ali ibn Abi Talib. Assalamu ala Fatima al-Zahra. Assalamu ala Hasan al-Husayn, Sayyid al-Shabab Ahl al-Jannah. Assalamu ala Naimat al-Masumin min Zuriyat al-Husayn alayhi salam. Alayhi salam. Assalamu alayka ya Sayyid al-Zaki al-Bari. Assalamu alayka ya Zayd ibn Ali. Ashhadu annaka qad jahadta fi sabili rabbik صابرا مقتصبا لم تاخذك في الله لومة العين في نصرة شان جدك المصطفى وعالمت الدعوة وحاربت الفجر. السلام على من سماه رسول الله زيدا قبل ولادة أبيه زين العابدين وبكى لأجله. And Rasulullah cried for him after naming him. من قال في إمام الصادق عليه الصلاة والسلام إن عمي زيدا كان مؤمنا وعالما وصدوقا. Indeed, my uncle Zayd, he was mu'min, he was a scholar, he was truthful. وضع وهو أصحابه شهيدا كالشهداء مع أمير المؤمنين. He and his companion, they are the martyrs, and their reward for the shahada is the same as the reward of the shahada of the people, those who were martyred with Imam Ali alayhi salatu. وصلوات الله على روحه الطاهرة. السلام على من تصيب بالسام في شرطة فكانت فيه شهادته. السلام على راسك المخطوب وفي مدينة رسول الله صلى الله عليه وآله وسلم. السلام على جسدك المكتوب بالكوفة 4 سنين 4 years وقد ظهرت منه البراهين. السلام على من قال في حق الإمام الصادق عليه الصلاة والسلام إن الباكي على أم زيد في الجنة والشامل بحقه شريك في دمه. أتيتك يا مولاي عارفا بجهادك وحرمتك ومنزلتك إن الله مؤمنا بما دعوت إليه وهارما لمن نسب العداوة لأهل البيت عليهم السلام. اللهم لن قتلت أمير المؤمنين عليه السلام وابنه الحسن عليه السلام ولن الإصابة التي قاتلت الحسين ولن قتلت الأئمة المعصومين ولن قتلت زيد بن علي وأخزهم يوم النشور وأصلهم قبر نارك ولا تغفر لهم أبدا يا مولاي أني وقفت في مقامي هذا أرضي رضا الله تعالى بموالاتي لكم والتوفيق لما دعوتم إليه وكن لي شفيعا عند الله يا وجها عند الله. اللهم توصل إليك بحق محمد وابنته الصديقة الطاهرة الزهراء ووصيه المرتضى وأبناء المعصومين وبحق وليك زيد بن علي أن تصلي على محمد وآل محمد وأن تكشف كربي وأن تقضي حاجتي ولا تخيب سعي ورجائي من شفاعة الأئمة الطاهرين إنك أرحم الراحمين. وصلى الله على محمد وآله الطاهرين. صلوات اللهم صل على